Alright, so in this video I'm going to show you how you can use ScriptReel and how this amazing piece of technology really works. Now ScriptReel, you can take any video from YouTube or you can upload your own video and create captions and subtitles for that video, translate those captions and subtitles into hundreds of language, and you can also translate the audio, the voiceover inside the video into a different language using a text-to-speech technology. Alright, so let me show you how this works. First thing, on the dashboard you can see all the videos you created, all the processing, transcribing and rendering that's going on, and you can see all your videos past campaigns here. To get started, click on get started. Now right here you can either upload your own video or you can enter a YouTube video as well. I'm going to give this name, I'm going to give this campaign a name, let's call it Abhi Demo. Right, great. Now I can transcribe any video that's in English or in Spanish, right? So I'm going to select English because my video is in English. I'm going to click on upload and I'm going to import a video and I click on submit. It's going to take a little bit of time to upload the video and then it'll automatically start transcribing it. Now this whole process can take up to 5 minutes depending on how long the video is. So let's say if your video is for 1 minute, it's going to take about like 2.5 minutes to transcribe the video. Now by transcribing I mean it'll extract the audio from the video and convert it into text, create captions and add those captions to the specific time points in the video, so you can simply just edit the video as you like and start working on creating your captions. Now the accuracy is 97% on this, but it also depends on how well your video is sounding, how well the sound is inside the video and how the accent is. For example, my videos, if I upload my own video for example in this demonstration, it's gonna have a little bit more errors because of the accent that I have. Alright, so we're almost done uploading the video and ScriptReel is gonna start transcribing this video. Now your campaign's created and it's transcribing. Now if you scroll down you can see that it's transcribing. Estimated time is about like 3 minutes and this time is Eastern time, so 3:55ish we should be ready to go. Alright, so now you can see that transcription is complete. It says transcribed, action required. I'm going to click on complete your campaign button right over here. I'm going to mute this. Now you can see that it has transcribed it. Now I have to make a few changes because it can't spell my name right. But yeah, let's do this. I'm going to click on this. Now I'm gonna add full stops, do some capitalization if I want to do welcome to this page, not face. We're super excited to finally bring ScriptReel, not really. Well, because you know ScriptReel is a name and it's not a word in English, so it's a bit tricky for transcribing process. But so this is how transcription works. It's super easy. It has added it to the right time zone, time stamped on your video. It's done all the work for you. All you have to do is just review all your transcriptions and you are good to go. Just modify them as you like, or you can delete them and add another one if you want to by typing your transcription right over here. Super easy to do it. Once you have done editing the transcription, making it perfect like you want, you can select from all these hundreds of languages whichever you want to convert it. So I'm going to convert this into Spanish or Russians. So in just one click this will convert my text into a different language, and I can select from all these languages out there. So let's convert this into Spanish. I'm going to select Spanish right over here and I'm going to click on translate. And it's going to take about a couple of seconds and it'll translate the entire caption into Spanish. As you can see, it's turned it into Spanish and it's perfect the way it has done it. Now what you can do is you can also download the SRT file. Now SRT file are the subtitle files that I use inside YouTube. So if you're going to be uploading this video in YouTube and you don't want to hard render the subtitles on a video, you can use you can download the SRT file and upload it in your YouTube video to just show it up inside YouTube video as well. But we're gonna hard code this on the video, gonna print it on the video. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna click on next. I'm done with the editing. I've translated the video as I want. Now I've got all these different templates, the different designs of how the captions and subtitles will look. I can select from all of these, or I can go in custom and change my own design, create my own design as I want. Change font size, font color, font type, background color as I want. And once I'm done that, I'm going to click on next. And on the next page is the cool stuff. Now on the next page, what I can do is I can select, for example, this subtitle is in Spanish. I'm going to select Spanish right here. And so if I want to convert the audio inside the video into Spanish as well, I'm going to pick one of these. And what I'm going to do is it's gonna take a couple of seconds to start creating different audios for all of these using a text-to-speech technology, and it will convert the entire audio in this video into Spanish audio. So it has Spanish audio now, and it has Spanish subtitles now. So my English video where I was speaking English has now Spanish subtitles, and the audio in that video is now going to be Spanish as well. Now it works really well when you're using it for screencast videos or video where you're not exactly speaking, because when you're using a text-to-speech to mimic what you're speaking, it might look a little odd, but it's really powerful. You can use these videos and create hundreds of different language videos, hundreds of different videos, and start dominating on YouTube and Google for different languages, for different countries as well. Alright, so once the translation into a different audio is done, you can preview it right over here. You can listen to all the video, all the new audio that has been created, and once you're satisfied with it, just click on rendering, and it's going to take a couple of minutes and create the video for you, so you can start downloading the video. And once you've done it, once you've rendered the video, you can actually share it on your YouTube and on your Facebook account. You can select your social account, you can add a title and description, and you can publish it directly from the dashboard. And the final output, for example, looks something like this. So I've got this different design, different color pattern that I used on this video, and it's got Spanish subtitles, and it's beautifully done. So yeah, this is what ScriptReel does. It's really powerful piece of technology, and it lets you create amazing videos with different languages that you can transcribe, add your own captions, subtitles, and translate the audio into different language. Cheers.